So good morning children. This is our science video of chapter 18, pollution of air and water. We have started this chapter and I have given some introduction about the pollution and air pollution. So after this, today I'm going to start the air, how the air get polluted. So the pollutants. There are certain harmful toxic substances which actually pollute our or contaminate our atmosphere, our air. They are known as pollutants. If these pollutants pollute or contaminate our air, then they are told as or they are known as air pollutants. If they contaminate the water, they are known as the water pollutants. Okay, as you know that the smoke from vehicles, dust arising from forest, volcanic eruption, these are the part. So after that, the some important thing is many industries are also responsible for causing air pollution. Petroleum refineries are a major source of gaseous pollutants like sulfur dioxide, nitrogen dioxide. Sulfur dioxide is produced by the combustion of fuel. Combustion means burning, the complete burning of fuel like coal in power plants. It can cause respiratory problems, including permanent lung damage. You have already studied about the burning of fossil fuel in chapter 5. Other kind of pollutants are chlorofluorocarbons CFCs, which are used in refrigerators, air conditioners and aerosol sprays. CFS damage the ozone layer. This is the main harmful effect of CFS. Recall that the ozone layer protects us from harmful ultraviolet UV rays which are released or which are released from the sun. Have you heard about the ozone hole? Yes, there are a ozone hole on the poles. Try to find out about it. Thankfully, less harmful chemicals are now being used in place of CFS. In addition to the above mentioned gases, automobiles which burn diesel and petrol also produce tiny particles which remain suspended in air for long periods. They reduce visibility. When inhaled, they cause some diseases. Such particles are also produced during industrial processes like steel making, the mining. Please underline this thing. This is a very important line. And mining. Power plants give out tiny ash particles which also pollute the atmosphere. Okay, so now we will study about our Taj. Taj is one of famous monument of India, and it is among the seven wonders. So Taj Mahal is located in Agra. It has become a matter of concern now. Experts have warned that pollutants in air are discoloring its white marble. So it is not only living organism, but these pollutants or pollution level, because of the increased pollution level, these pollutants also affect our non-living things like the monuments, buildings, statues, etc. The industry is located in and around the Agra like rubber processing industry, automobile, chemicals, and especially the Mathura oil refinery. Basically, these things are creating the problem for Taj, have been responsible for producing pollutants like sulfur dioxide and nitrogen dioxide, which react with the water vapor and which are present in the atmosphere, and when the sulfur dioxide combines with the water, it becomes sulfuric acid, and when nitrogen dioxide combines with water, it becomes nitric acid, and these two acids when drop down with the rain, it becomes acid rain. This is called acid rain, and this acid rain corrodes the marble of the monument. And this whole phenomena where the corrosion of the marble occur due to the acid rain is termed as marble cancer. Suspended particle matter such as the soot particles emitted by Mathura oil refinery has contributed towards the yellowing of the marble. Okay. Now the Supreme Court has taken several initiatives and there several steps. Like instead of the harmful things, we are using, or the people are using CNG and LPGs. Okay, so this is all. Now the greenhouse effect. This is again another important topic. Greenhouse effect. You know what is greenhouse effect? Sun is the only biggest source of light and heat, A part of the radiation that falls on the earth is absorbed by it, and some part is reflected back into space. A part of the reflected radiation is trapped by the atmosphere. The trapped radiation further warms the earth. Some amount of energy, heat energy, is absorbed by the earth, and some have to be uh, reversed back or reflected back into the space. But if the whole energy or whole sunlight or whole the heat energy has been trapped in the atmosphere on the earth, then this causes the increase in the temperature of the earth. Okay, so the trapping of radiation by the earth's atmosphere is called the greenhouse effect. Without this process, life would not have been possible. But the excessive, when the heat become excessive on the earth, because of the excessive extreme level of carbon dioxide, it become harmful. Okay, so carbon dioxide is one of the component of air, you know very well, and the role of carbon dioxide in plants is very important, but it acts as a pollutant also. So on carbon dioxide is continuously being released because of human activities, and that activity is breathing. Some activities like burning also release the carbon dioxide, but by the deforestation, the producers are not there to which convert this harmful carbon dioxide into oxygen. So due to this, carbon dioxide level has been increased above the danger level, and due to this increased level of carbon dioxide, the all heat energy is trapped onto the earth, and thus the increased temperature will be the final result. So this is the global warming. This whole process is global warming. Okay. So other gases like methane, nitrous oxide, water vapor also contribute to increase the temperature of the earth, and they are known as the greenhouse gases. Okay. So you know, there are so many things which we can do to remove this extra or to decrease the level of carbon dioxide. And this level, like the if we do plantation, if we do forestation, then we can definitely get rid of this problem up to the certain extent. Okay, now water pollution. You know, if so many pollutants, water become muddy, dirty because of the industrial and agricultural waste. So this dirty water is not good and fit for drinking, for washing clothes and bathing. We cannot do anything with this dirty and polluted toxic water. Okay, it has a bad this toxic water having a bad odor and a foul smell, and the decolorization also. So whenever harmful substances such as sewage, toxic chemicals, etc. mix with water, the water become polluted, and this is known as water pollutants. And the pollution level is due to the increased amount of industrial area, factories. Increase in the number of industries and factories are responsible for the water pollution. So Ganga, how does water get polluted? Case study of Ganga. You know, the Ganga is the one of major pious and holy river of India, but nowadays it become polluted. So recently study of the World Wide Fund of Nature WWF found the Ganga is one of the 10 most endangered river in the world. The pollution level have been rising for many years. We have reached this stage because the towns and cities through which the river flows throw their garbage in the huge quantity, untreated sewage, dead bodies, and many other harmful things directly into the river. In fact, the river is dead at many places where the pollution level are so high, and the aquatic life is not there. An ambitious plan to save this river is the Ganga Action Plan was launched in 1985. The main aim is to protect the Ganga and reduce the pollution level in the river. However, the increasing pollution and industrialization have already damaged this mighty river beyond repair, because the river, if the river becomes dead, completely dead, it will vanish from the from the land of India, and we cannot repair this loss ever. So this is all for today, children. I hope you all have understood whatever I have explained here. Thank you for watching this video.